We are making hot chocolate. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tiyashat California. Today I want to share something that is very close to my heart. When I started healthy eating and healthy lifestyle, I went all in, avoiding everything which were not organic or healthy. At first, it felt great. But honestly, later, it started feeling very restrictive. It impacted on my social life, and it leads to the moments where I binge on the foods that I was avoiding. That's when I realized balance is the key. Instead of focusing on perfection, now I enjoy a mix of my food. 80 to 90% of my food what I eat is healthy, and rest I enjoy what I like. Life is too short to miss out on those things that you enjoy. And sometimes I even find ways to make those indulgences are healthier, like today's recipe. And here is the best part of today's video. We have a special guest today. Meet Virshan.
Hi.
Hello everybody, he is Virshan, our youngest viewer of the channel. Virshan, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes. Hi, my name is Rishant and I'm 9 years old and I'm in 3rd grade.
Wow, so happy to have you here. Virshan, do you know what are we making today?
No.
We are making hot chocolate. Do you like to drink hot chocolate?
Yes, I love drinking chocolate.
Wow, I'm glad that I'm making it with you. Virshan, are you excited to help me in making hot chocolate today?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Let's make it fun, guys. Virshan, what is your favorite part in making hot chocolate?
Drinking it.
We all can relate, right? Let's jump to the recipe. These are the ingredients that we are using to make this hot chocolate. I am using the full fat dairy. We need some almonds, cacao powder, but if you don't have cacao powder, use unsweetened cocoa powder. We are using dates as our natural sweetener. Virshan, do you know what is this?
Ragi Powder.
Yes,
Yes.
it's very healthy. I'm going to tell the benefit of it while making the hot chocolate. And I already soaked my almonds and dates in the milk. We are going to blend it now. For the flavor, I am using some cinnamon powder. Today Virshan is helping me in making hot chocolate. Can you please pour it inside the blender? Good job, buddy. Okay. Now we are going to blend it. Now I have a question for you guys. Which food do you crave most despite it being unhealthy? I might create a healthy twist on it in a future video. Please comment below. After blending, now we will add these dates and almonds milk mixture into the saucepan along with more milk. Here we are using dates as our natural sweetener. They are packed with fiber and nutrients, and almonds add creaminess and healthy fats. We need to stir it continuously to prevent it from burning at the bottom.
Why is the milk kinda brown?
Guess what? Because we blended the milk with dates and the dates are brown. That's why. But good question, good observation. I think now it's time to add the cacao powder. Okay?
Okay.
Did you know cacao powder is rich in antioxidants and magnesium? It supports heart health, improves mood, and gives you a delicious chocolatey flavor naturally. Vishan, would you like to smell it before I add it?
Okay.
Does it smell good?
Yes, it smells very good.
It's almost ready, Vishan. Almost. Now, do you remember the spice powder we are going to add? Okay, what's the name of the spice powder?
Cinnamon.
Yes, cinnamon not only enhances the taste, but it also has many health benefits. It helps in reducing blood sugar level. Okay, little bit of it is enough. This is going to make our hot chocolate tastier. It's almost looking like Starbucks hot chocolate. Only it's missing the cream. Here goes the secret ingredient, ragi or finger millet powder. This ragi or finger millet powder is a powerhouse of nutrition too. It's packed with calcium, iron and fiber, which makes it great for bone health, digestion and even managing blood sugar levels. For women, it's especially beneficial as it helps combat anemia and supports overall hormonal health. Now I am going to cook it in low flame for a couple of minutes. Please don't forget to stir in between, especially after adding the ragi powder. If the mixture thickens too much, you can add more milk to get the right consistency.
Smelling great.
Good that you like it. Vishan, I am going to strain your hot chocolate, okay? I like my hot chocolate without any cream. What is your preference, friends? Please let me know in the comment section. Vishan, it's ready.
Wow, it looks delicious.
Now taste it and let me know how you like it. The moment of truth. I like it.
Because of the taste, it makes the look also very delicious.
Oh, thank you. The sweetness from dates, the richness from cacao, and the spice from cinnamon perfectly combines this drink. Make it and enjoy. Cheers for good health. Thank you, Vishan, for making this video so special. Thank you for coming to my video. I have a little surprise for you.
Okay.
This is a little surprise for my little viewer.
Thank you.
Okay, you want to say something to viewers?
Not that much, but try making this. It's really delicious recipe. Bye.
Thank you, Vishan. I hope you will try this recipe and enjoy as much as we do. If you are looking for more healthy twists on your favorite recipes, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share your favorite food recipes in the comment section. Let's make healthy living fun and delicious together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Vishan, are you excited to help me in making hot chocolate? One more time, okay? When I'll finish, then you'll say yes. Say something to viewers. Healthy living is all about balance and finding joy in the little things. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, I will highly recommend you to watch this video next.